Your name?
My name's Andy.
Andy Bradshaw, is it?
It's his, yeah.
Ah, right, yeah.
Yeah, you know, good eyesight. What's your name?
I'm not saying. Member of the public. Just going about my business.
Why would you not give your name?
I don't need
150 metres.
Yeah.
The Aircraft Management Act of 2021 says you've got to provide me with a drone reference number because you've been recording.
No, it's not true. Would you like me to educate?
Confiscate.
Would you like me? You can't. Would you like me to educate you?
Well, for the future, alright?
Yeah, okay.
This is part of the Air Traffic Management and Unmanned Aircraft
Act
I know that.
What
If we think a drone could be connected to an offence, we can make you land your drone, stop and search people and vehicles to find drone.
At first, this looked like nothing unusual at all, just a man with a camera outside. A police building, calm, routine, and completely ordinary. But the moment, questions turned into demands, and confidence turned into authority. The whole atmosphere shifted into a legal confrontation with real consequences. So when officers started talking about powers, identification, and forcing a drone down, were they dealing with a genuine threat? Or were they about to expose something far more uncomfortable before this was over? This is not recreation or stock footage. This is real life, captured by pure audits. Every second shown is authentic. The full, uncut source footage is available in the description because truth matters more than presentation.
Yep. Just doing a video. Who are you? You one of the solicitors?
No, why?
Who are you? Are you part of the police staff?
Who are you?
I'm just taking a video, that's all. So I'm going to take a video sort of there, that side.
Why taking
and that
videos
side.
of the people's personal cars here?
No, I'm not doing that. Although that's not illegal, I'm not doing it.
No,
I mean, people collect number plates, don't they? I don't know why.
Well, they do, but you know, obviously, might ask some questions because of police premises, you know.
Yeah.
Why you might be on a police premises?
I'm not on. I'm in a public area, but what I do, I go round.
Videos of the police premises.
Who are you then?
I'm a member of police staff.
You member police staff. So what?
A simple question turns tense fast. The camera changes everything, and suspicion arrives long before any lawful reason ever appears.
I take videos of industrial buildings. And what I'm going to do soon is I'm going to get my drone up and have a look over the top.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Nothing from that. Okay. Yeah. So anything else or?
No, I'm just presumably you're not going to give me a name.
Well, I'm out in the public area.
You are?
Yeah.
But you're also on police premises.
Where?
Where you're standing.
Well, I'm not going in.
No, but you're there. Vehicles here, which.
Yeah, only the police vehicles.
Yeah. But I'm going to ask, obviously, why.
Now, the focus shifts to personal cars, where privacy is invoked selectively as if public visibility suddenly becomes unacceptable here.
It's interesting, isn't it?
It might be interesting, but it's also interesting to me, as an ex-police officer and a member of police staff, as to why you're out there filming police vehicles. That's of interest to me.
Well, I'm going to do that bit, and then I'll get my drone up after, just to put you in the picture what I'm doing.
What, today?
Yeah, now. Yeah. So the drone will only be sort of 10-15 minutes.
Okay, so
drone footage.
Will you object if I go and speak to one of the inspectors here to say, look, this is what's going on?
No, I don't object. But I'll crack on here and take some video here and some photographs, and then
Authority starts leaning on biography instead of law. The badge may be gone, but the instinct to control remains strong.
And then I'll set myself up sort of on the edge there.
What's your name?
Oh, what's your name?
My name's Andy.
Andy Bradshaw, is it?
It's his, yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, you know, good eyesight. What's your name?
I'm not saying. Member of the public. Just going about my business.
Why would you not give your name?
I don't need to.
I don't need to give mine, but you
well, I read it, didn't I? Okay, I'll crack on and do my survey. So he has gone in there, and there's another And there's the other gate.
He says no calmly, and that refusal does more damage than anger ever could. Power really hates clear, confident boundaries.
Oh yeah, you did okay?
You alright?
Just to let you know, body cam's on, alright? You're recording, I'm recording.
Yeah, I'm recording, yeah.
For everyone's safety.
Yeah.
You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah.
What are you up to?
I'm sure you know the score.
Yeah.
What I'm going to ask, is there a particular reason why we're filming the police station today?
No reason.
No reason. Okay.
No.
I'm led to believe you have a drone. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where have you been? Where have you been flying it? Has it been going over into the private car park area?
No, it's up here.
Just up
above
here.
the police station. Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name? What's your
PC
details?
1402 Callaway. All right. Colin was there. And
okay. Yeah.
1402 Callaway.
PC816.
Sorry.
PC816.
816. Okay.
Have you got a drone operator number?
Yeah.
And what is that?
Oh no, I'm not.
The body camera comes on, and the whole encounter hardens. What felt nosy now starts pretending to be official business.
I'll show you. I've got one, but you can't note it.
If you're filming, you need to provide me with a drone operator number.
No, I don't need to provide you with that at all.
You don't?
No, not at all.
All right. But if you're filming, you need to provide me with a drone operator.
No, I don't. Yeah, no, you're mistaken.
Am I?
Yeah. What's the scissors for?
This is where confidence meets resistance. A legal demand is made, and the answer is immediate, calm, and completely unmoved.
You're in custody, or?
Sorry?
What's the scissors for?
Well, the scissors for? I deal with
custody.
Custody, no.
Oh, right. Is there a custody here?
Sorry?
Is there a custody suite here?
Yes.
Oh, right.
Why do you want to?
Well, I don't want to know. I thought I spotted it because when I put the drone up, I saw all these light wells. And when you see light wells, you assume, well, there's a custody suite there. Light wells into the cells, that's all. Am I free to go?
Just speak with the supervisor very quick. Yeah, that's all good. I'll have a conversation with him. He seems pretty reasonable, to be fair, so I'll have a chat.
The drone has already seen more than they expected, and you can hear the discomfort when sensitive parts are identified.
Am I allowed to have the operator ID?
No, you're not allowed.
Okay.
But, I mean, I've got one.
Yeah.
But there's no need for you to have it, because it's the class of drone.
Yes, true. Yeah, true, if it's under 20 kilograms. How much does the drone weigh? Is it under 20 kilograms?
Yeah. 249 grams.
249.
You mean under 250?
250.
Over 50, 250 grams, not kilograms.
No, you're correct.
That's quite a large person.
Yeah, I was going to say you're correct. You're quite correct. I do apologise then. Yeah, look, there's as long as you're not flying it into the car park, below the building line or anything like that, we've not got an issue. Obviously you're in a public space, you're entitled to record in a public space. There's nothing, just as I am, there's nothing I can do to stop you doing that. All I would just ask, if it's okay, is just have a bit of consideration for the fact, obviously.
Tiny details matter in law. One weight figure strips away the bluster and reveals how weak the challenge really is.
Issue, but obviously, morally, if you could just have a bit of consideration for, obviously there are people's personal vehicles in there and the risk that comes with that, especially because once we take the uniform off, we're regular folks with our own private lives, like yourselves.
Yeah, I'm here for the building.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be taking. In fact, the drone doesn't pick up number plates. You do actually get people who collect number plates. Yeah, and they can tell. You can look up the first two letters and say, "Oh, that's from Dudley or Bristol or whatever." People like that. But I don't collect number plates.
Yeah.
But I'm looking at the building. It's quite a modern building, isn't it?
Yeah. So this was built probably just before COVID time. I think probably 2018, just after that, I think.
Was it? Oh.
Just before that, really? Well, yeah. It's fairly new compared to some old police stations, like for example.
When legality falls apart, morality gets deployed instead. It is a softer weapon, still carefully designed to pressure compliance here.
To go.
Oh, yeah.
When they come out.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. we do the best we can with what we've got.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're free to leave. You don't have to stay here.
No, you didn't detain me anyway.
No,
you didn't detain me. We don't want to go down that road where you detain me. No, you didn't do it.
Well, I'd have no reason to stay.
Are you not taser trained then?
No, not at the minute. No, hopefully fairly soon, but not at the minute. No.
Are they rolling out to it? Not everyone.
I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know.
A lot of people might not want to pass.
Yeah, some people probably don't want to carry a taser, and that's the thing. It's officer's choice, isn't it? Same with firearms. Some people probably don't want to go into firearms policing. So yeah, it's everyone's choice, and you know, some people may have it, some people may not. So you know, it's what it is.
Okay, well, thanks for chatting with me.
No worries. Hope you have a good day.
Yeah, and you.
Like I said, obviously, if you are going to stay here, just remember what we talked about.
This matters because freedom is finally spoken aloud. If he is free to leave, the pressure loses its mask instantly.
Is the drone recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that your drone unit operator?
Sorry?
Is that your drone unit operator saying that I've got to show my operator ID? Or is that someone?
No, it's someone's looked up the legislation. If it's flying under 250 metres, the Aircraft Management Act of 2021 says you've got to provide me with a drone reference number because you've been recording.
No, it's not true. Would you like me to educate?
Confiscate.
Would you like me? You can't. Would you like me to educate you? Would you like me to tell you what I've got legislation in my bag?
I've got the legislation to hand. I'll have a read of it.
And then I mean, I don't do this for nothing.
No, of course not.
Okay, I want that back though.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, so that's taken off the government website.
They come back with new legislation and the same confidence. Wrong authority rarely retreats quietly. It usually reloads first instead.
Right, police approved. And if you'll have a look here, drones under 250 grams are A1 subcategory. Okay, if they're A1, if it's A2, there's three tests must be in order for a police officer to record an operator ID, which is what your colleague's talking about under here. Unmanned aircraft. So number one, flight of an unmanned aircraft, reasonable grounds, the flight of an unmanned aircraft is taking place or has taken place, and you're happy with that, aren't you?
Printed law changes the temperature immediately. Preparation beats posturing, and suddenly the person challenged becomes the only one fully informed.
Yeah, based on talking with him, he's not committing an offence. He's saying he's been flying it sort of at a height above the building. He's been stood basically on the pavement of Cambridge, not even crossed the threshold. He's been at the height.
Thanks so much.
Okay, thank you guys. Do you want to take a picture of that?
You know what, I would actually, yeah, for future, yeah, why not?
There you go.
No harm in it, is there?
No. Don't take my electronic fingerprint though, will you?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll pass him on the legislation we have, just so he's
just educating everyone really, and that's part of it.
If you're happy, if you're happy, mate, my sergeant is just
No apology, no accountability, just a slow retreat once the facts are checked. That quiet ending says everything important here.